Hello! Today we're mounting this big mirror to this wall. It weighs about 10 kilos. It's going to be the same principle as I did with the shelf in the previous video. Only different plugs. Bigger plugs, different plugs. I'll show you. Let's get to it. So the plugs that I'm going to use is molly plugs or expander plugs. They expand behind the wall, so they will hold much better. Because we have 10 kilos here that's going to hang on the wall. We don't want it to fall down. So I'm going to start with a different approach today. I'm going to start with getting one plug in the wall and hanging the mirror on that screw. And then I'm going to level the mirror. Since I'm doing this alone, I'm just going to hang it on one screw, level it, and measure out where I'm going to put the other plug. So let's start drilling. And we're through. Let's get the plug. Now we just remove the screw. Screwdriver. This one is holding now. It's just not expanded yet, but it's holding the mirror enough so I can use my other hand to hold the leveler, or I can even let the mirror hang like this. Perfect. And let's see where it's level. There. Perfect. Let's draw like that. Let the mirror down without damaging the wall. Let it hang there while we drill the other hole. The other plug. Same thing there. Remove the screw. Get the mirror without damaging the wall. Screwdriver. There we go. Let's check if it's level. Perfect. Now we're just gonna tighten the screws to make the plug expand, so it's gonna hold even better. Can't expand more. There we go. Solid as a rock. That's not going anywhere. Perfect. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one.